Gateway city. Last point of departure or first point of arrival in the areas concerned is called as gateway city. Now I'll try to make you understand with this example. Now here in this itinerary, our passengers traveling from Delhi, Mumbai, London and Frankfurt. Now for the departure, the gateway city will be Mumbai. Now I'll show you one more example. Now in this, the itinerary is Frankfurt, London, Mumbai, Delhi. Now here the arrival in the area is Mumbai. Now again the gateway city for this itinerary will be Mumbai.